Hi, I'm Ryan, a product specialist here at DeltaNet International. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up your course ready to add question components for an assessment. When you log into Adapt, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Many existing courses you have created will appear here. Double-click on the course, then select Manage Extensions from the list on the left. You will see a list of all the extensions available for you to add. These are in alphabetical order. Scroll down to find the Assessment extension. This extension tells the course to track the questions you add for the overall course score. Select Add. Now search for the Enhanced Question extension. This extension provides you with more options on how feedback is shown. We will be using this extension to make the feedback appear in a pop-up. Select Add. Scroll back up to the top and you will see the extensions have been added. Now we are going to set up the assessment article. Select Back to Course Structure, then double-click on the page you are adding your assessment to. For an assessment, we need to create a new article. Let's do this now. Double-click into the article you've just created. Give your article a name. We're going to call this Assessment. Changing the title will also change the display title. Select Extensions on the left and select Assessment. Enable that by selecting the checkbox. Give the assessment a name. You need to give it a name here because when you get the results, Adapt will ask what the name of the assessment it is looking for is, and it will need to match this. We're going to call this Quiz. Bear in mind that this is case sensitive. Remember this, as we will need to input this later, and it will need to match exactly to get the score for the results. Scroll down until you see Pass Mark and input your pass mark. This is set to percentage based, but you can change this. We are going to leave this as percentage based and set the pass mark to 80%. Scroll down to the bottom. There are 3 checkboxes at the bottom. Show Feedback simply shows the learner feedback when they answer the question. Show Marking shows the learner a tick or a cross, depending on whether they get the question correct or incorrect. Show Model Answer reveals a button to the learner if they get the question wrong that shows them what the correct answer is. We've now finished setting up our assessment. Select Save. Now our assessment is ready for us to add questions. You can find out how to add the different types of questions in some of our other videos. Now we've added a couple of questions, let's quickly look at the Enhanced Question extension. Double-click on the question and select the Extensions tab on the left. Open up Enhanced Question and enable it by selecting the checkbox. Enabling this makes sure that the feedback for your questions show up when the learner answers. If you select Inline Feedback, this will show the feedback as part of the page rather than in a pop-up. We want this to appear as a pop-up, so we will leave that unchecked. Feedback Graphics gives you the option to add any images to your feedback. We don't want any images to appear, so we'll leave this unchecked. Feedback Titles gives you the option to add different feedback titles for different results. Now we've set up our enhanced question, select Save, and that is how you set up your course for a